So Britton, I discovered you in a new spot in the harbor.
Yeah, that spot.
And your boat's halfway full of water. Your engine is stripped. And there's crackheads all around us. So well, you said some bad people stripped your boat.
Bad people stripped my boat.
You were lost. You weren't lost at sea, but you had some problems on the ocean.
I didn't. My boat did it. Drifted off the anchor, and they found it drifting 3 miles off the coast outside of Honolulu Harbor, which was lucky because it was directly outside, 3 miles outside of the United States Coast Guard base. So they mobilized C-130s out of Barbers Point because the original assumption of the Coast Guard, when they got word that my boat was out there and I wasn't on board, their first instinct is, okay, he fell overboard. And they were, when I spoke to them on the phone, I got the Coast Guard on the phone at Honolulu, and they told me that they had C-130s at Barbers Point, that they were getting ready to get airborne. They had 2 Dolphin helicopters in the air, 2 patrol boats that were out searching for me. They had a towboat next to my boat, waiting for orders to tow my boat in. They had they spent at least $3 million looking for me. $3 to $6 million looking for me for 4 hours. DLNR, United States Coast Guard, HPD, lifeguards, they were all out there. And they had everything. They launched all resources to come and find me. And I was at the Kulu Kulu Cafe getting breakfast. I didn't even know my boat was gone.
So everybody, yeah, the boat here, it's got a lot of water damage, and it's part of life though. You got to roll with the punches, or the waves in this case. So hopefully all this dries up and Britton figures it out what he's gonna do here. But as you can see, we got a lot of water here. This camera's waterproof. Look,
You should have seen it. The water was up to here originally. Originally it was up to here.
Yeah. And you're in a much more active area, I guess. There's a lot of people and things going on. So it's kind of like it just changes your peacefulness of the last 2 spots you had where you're away from action. But yeah, so Britton's out here a lot. You've asked about what Britton's doing, and so here was an update on
We'll
Britton.
film the motor outside.
Well, are you about ready to go?
Yeah.
Good. So yeah, the entire motor is stripped here. It's in a really popular area. Shouldn't be flashing the camera and stuff. Everything he had. The boat's empty, essentially. Or it got soaked and thrown out, and the engine was stripped. Alright guys, don't forget to subscribe. We're out here in Waikiki. Aloha. Mahalo.